Hi, good day, and welcome to our sixth subtopic, the thermostatic control. Kini atong thermostatic control maoning control sa refrigeration system pag on o pag off sa compressor para dili mo taas ug maayo ang pressure or kung mobilo man gani ibalik siya pag on para makontrol ang temperature sa sulod sa passenger compartment. Okay. Thermostatic control. The lower the pressure of the refrigerant, the lower the temperature. Diba? Paano niya siya? Proportion. Kung mataas ang pressure sa refrigerant, so mataas po ang temperature. Ubos mo ang pressure sa refrigerant, ubos pa ang temperature. If evaporator pressure is above 30 psi or 220 kilopascal for refrigerant 12 or 28 psi, 193 kilopascal for an R134A system, the temperature of the evaporator will remain about freezing, which is 32 degree Fahrenheit or 0 degree Celsius. Since wala naman ang kining R12 karon kay giyay kuha naman siya phase out kitungod ani makadaot man siya sa ozone layer. So we will focus on the refrigerant 134A system. So diri nga slides, gay na compare lang siya sa katong R12 ug ang 134A. Ubos ang kuan pressure nga gihatag sa sample sa 134A. Pero ang iyang temperature, kung 30 psi dito sa R12, niya 28 psi diri sa 134A, ang temperature the same lang. Temperature control is used to prevent this, as moisture in the air would freezes and clog the airflow through the evaporator. The air conditioning system would stop functioning. Okay, kaya di sa makaagi na kay ang moisture sa air, itong naay amount nga water, mo freeze na siya. So, dili na makaagi ang bugnaw. If the AC is turned off when this happens, the heat from surrounding air will melt the ice and the air conditioning will again function. Kailangan pa i-turn off ang AC system para ma-melt ang ice and air conditioning again function. Sa may turn off, ato ba i-switch on lang sa kamot para lamang mabalik siya pag ma-melt ang ice or i-off na po nato o magbutan na lang tag parts para ma-control ni behavior. Kung masubra o ganang kuan mong bugnaw nagmaayo ang refrigerant, dapat ang evaporator mo stop na ang flow sa refrigerant. So, sa pag-stop, kailangan ma-stop ang function sa compressor. So, gagamitan og thermostatic control para mo trabaho ani nga function. So, a commonly used method to control evaporator temperature is to use a thermostat to control the compressor. Air conditioning compressors are used an electromagnetic clots. So, para mo-engage or ma-disengage ang katong compressor, refrigerant compressor, gibutangan na og thermostatic control para mo-on ug off. Okay? When you say electromagnetic clock, temporary magnet nga i-switch on dito sa battery para mo-engage siya ang compressor. So, naay winding diha nga gibutang para if in case i-turn on siya, mo magnet mo pikit dito ang katong clutch o katong iyang magnetic tawag ani windings. So motuyog apil ang shafting. So, kung wala ni, so di wala na pwede mo control, ma-useless yapon ang thermostatic control kung wala ng magnetic clutch. So diha mo on, diha mo off. Na kung mo on ni kuha na to ni madungog mo na to ni kung on or off sa sakyanan. Kung engage o disengage. Okay? So when the thermostat senses that the temperature is near freezing or 0 degrees Celsius, a switch stops the compressor from circulating refrigerant. So, mo-off na siya. Ano? Kini. Mo-off na siya. Kaya mura naman sa switch pero thermostatic o katong temperature ang open or close sa circuit. So, na-digital lang isa. Kining A, then kini manual nga thermostatic switch, no? Thermo switch. Kung mo init na pug maayo, yan na pud nang siyang i-on ang compressor. Pag bugnaw na pug kayo, yan na pud off ang compressor. So this thermostat switch is also called a thermo switch, icing switch, or defrost switch. So that's it. That is for our thermostatic control. Asan din sa gibutang? Tuwanan din dool dito gibutang sa evaporator. Commonly nasa atubang sa passenger, front passenger side, no, sa ilalom, no? Or nasa tawangan na meter, no? Nasa mga buton-buton. Note, older vehicles use a system to control evaporator pressure when used with a continuously operating compressor, including pilot-operated absolute valve, an evaporator pressure regulator, maintains at least 30 psi in the evaporator to prevent evaporator freezing up. Karon wala na ang temperature nang gigisense sa thermostatic switch para mo-engage or disengage ang compressor. Ang mong gawas ng temperature sa air vent sa normal nga operating sa refrigeration sa atong sakyanan is about 8.5 to 12 degrees Celsius. Ang normal nga passenger compartment nga temperature dapat naa sa 16 degrees Celsius up to 26 degrees Celsius. So below 16 degrees Celsius bugna na kayo, o nya ang above sa 26 degrees Celsius init na po na kayo. Kini nga mga values dapat mo on or mo off ang compressor pinagi sa thermostat switch or thermostatic control. Okay, for further information, please watch this video.
I'm going to turn the power off. It's gone off. Turn it back on. And once it's initialized, it's going to turn on at 22 degrees centigrade and off at 20. So at the moment, it's too cold for it to turn on the cooling, so I'm going to heat it up with my hand. And as soon as it gets up to 22, you'll see the little light come on, and this light will come on too because I put a light on it to actually show that. So there we go. It's up above 22, so effectively it's turned on the cooling. This could be running a fan, or it could be running a refrigeration unit, or just operating a solenoid valve to actually allow a refrigeration plant to operate. And as the temperature comes back down, obviously it's going to turn off when it reaches the target of 20 again. And the fact you can set the on and off temperature independently means that you can set a hysteresis. In this case, I set a hysteresis of 2 degrees. So now, supposing you wanted to make it set it to heat instead of cool, all you'd do is you'd select that one, and say you wanted to come on at 20. And then you wanted it to go off, I'll wait till it stops flashing, at 22. Oop. Put it into blinky mode. Okay, so now it's cold, so it wants heat. So now I'm going to apply the heat, and as soon as it gets above 22, it cuts out. And likewise, when it cools down, which I should cool it down with this frosty beverage, when it gets down to about 20, it will cut back in again. Very simple to operate. Very simple indeed. If you wanted to restore it to its factory default setting values, to be honest, I don't think that's about all the parameters I can find that you can set. But if you press and hold both buttons simultaneously until it goes 888, it does the display test, and then it defaults to 25 on and 40 off. So that would be for heating, and it would heat up to 40 degrees Celsius. So let's open it up. Let's take a look inside and see what the construction quality is like. Spudger. Ooh. Ooh, anti-tracking slots. I wonder if it's designed for multiple voltages. How does this come out? I can see a little tang, a little plastic lug there, but it's not matched. Oh, there's screws. Out comes that screw. And out comes that screw. Is this going to come out easily? Okay.
Thank you, and we will proceed to our next subtopic, the refrigerant.